Hello students. So in the 8th standard we are going to dealing that co-curricular. Curricular means you are going to study the subject, right? Kannada, English, maths, that all. Co-curricular activity includes PE means physical education, GK general knowledge, computer and craft and art. Okay. So these are the part B subject. So first year in that PE I am going to tell for you. In that PE means physical education, you have a two part. One is a practical part, practical, and another one is theoretical part. Okay, very important here. Practical part in the means you are in the school only, you are going to do the activity. No, that based also you have going to get the marks for that. Okay, practical part in the school you are playing that volleyball, hockey, yoga, and what are the exercise you are doing, right? Middle jump, long jump, high jump, that all. Okay, that all you are going to dealing in the school. Practically you are doing. Okay, so theory part means you are going to write the test for that theory part. Okay, so on that each one lesson is there. What you are going to deal the practical that related to what you know, no, that you want to write in the in a classwork, and also based on that you are going to face the test paper also. In the theory part you have a total 12 lesson. We are going to divide half of that. Okay, half for first term and half of for remaining second term for that. Okay, so here each one part they are given. Major games in the sense there also I am going to do it half of athletic games, yoga, health education and national integration. In that also we are going to make a 3 part. Okay, first semester of second semester of this year. Okay, what you are going to deal that here in the first lesson is significance of physical education. PE in the sense physical education. Here significance of physical education. Significance means what? Importance only. Okay, so first lesson you are going to write in your classwork, that is chapter 1 in the theory part. Okay, don't mention the part 2, part 1. Part 1 in the sense I told you, no, it is a practical part. Part 2 in the sense it is a theoretical part. Theoretical part you are going to facing the test on that based. Okay, what do you know about that? What you did a practical activity, no, that about you have to know. Okay, that related lessons are there that you need to maintain one classwork for this 100-page. Same GK computer you are putting, no, like that you need to keep one classwork and you need to continue in that. So first it is a basic. What is the importance of physical education? Why we are going to play this physical? You know, as usual you are going to dealing with a curricular activity like that. Co-curricular activity also most important. It is a most important aspect. That's why they are going to include in your curricular system. Curricular means textbook, your subject like reading, no, this is also one of the main important here. Okay, what it do? It going to improve our physical fitness. It is improve our physical fitness and long term health benefits. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೂ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್, they have lifelong fitness they will be, right? So there is no obesity and though they're not facing any health issues, right? So their body will be so flexible and their muscular strength is more is there. Like that you need to every day at least half an hour you need to spend for that exercise only. Okay, so just you are studying means you just acquire the knowledge. If you acquire the knowledge, health only not there means how how is it essential for your life, right? So healthy lifestyle habit you have to include means you need to do what? Physical activities. Okay, so if you know the knowledge, skill, if you have a confidence, that all is there means first of all what we need? We need a healthy body, right? So if you want to maintain that healthy body and also we need to grow and become a fit for that, we need what? We need to do the physical activities. Like any activity you are doing, no, using that muscular strength for that all very important. Okay, first it is improve physical fitness. First important is improve physical fitness. They will ask you what are the importance of physical education or what are the significance of physical education. One by one I am going to explain for you. Before that, you need to know that what is the main goal. Okay, what is the main aim or goal of the physical education is to, it is a ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. So improve physical fitness in the sense we are doing a physical activity that going to strengthen our body, and also body become very flexible and you can do any body activity that is easy for you. Otherwise you will show the laziness. Okay, long term health benefits, that is easy for you. So it is reduce the obesity, and you will high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, heart diseases, these all they will not happen when you are going to do the physical activity. Okay, it is maintain the linear body. Linear body means so thin. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಒಬಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೈ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರೇ ದಪ್ಪ ಇರೋ ಮನುಷ್ಯರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಕುಂತ್ರೆ ಎದೊಳೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದ physical activities. Okay, so then it is not happen. Next, it is helpful in mental development. ಅದು ಬಾಡಿನಷ್ಟೇ ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೇ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡು ಒಂಥರ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಬೈ ವಾಟ್? Physical activity only. And also it helps to intellectual development. It going to give us intellectual ability in the sense it will be gives us more thinking capacity. It is improve our thinking capacity, and also it will, if you face any problems in that going to deal easily, that ability also you will get. Okay, so problem solving ability and also self confidence more important, and you are going to self express yourself more confidently. That all we will get from the physical education only. Okay, so next it is improves the social adjustment. Social adjustment means in the society whatever good activities or whatever opportunity you will getting, no, that all you will achieve from where? From this physical education too. Okay, so you are going to maintain that healthy, active and disciplinary lifestyle also you will get. And also it will teach us to sportsman spirit, how their teacher going to explaining and how they going to relate your any problem in your real life situation like that, no, that also you will get. Okay, so it is accepting the victory of that. Okay, that also you will get from this way too, from this physical education too only. Okay, so at the last you are going to give that unnecessary mental stress can be avoided from this. So if you get any mental stress, if you do it one 10 minutes, at least few seconds, if you do it your meditation, it will be very helpful for you, no. That is also yoga. I told you yoga also included in physical education only. What is the use of, if you are reading more time, you know that you can acquire, anybody can acquire the knowledge from the textbook, right? So curricular activity by using curricular books. Okay, so by that they can achieve. But if they healthy, then only it is beneficial. If it is health only not there means it is useful for that. And also it will gives the direction to how you are going to use your leisure time. And also it will at last it going to going to provides you the platform for to exhibit your any hidden talent. Whatever the talent you have, no, that going to express without any hesitation. That also helpful for us. Okay, if you have to be healthy, you need to do what? Physical activities. Okay, that is a main intention. It is a main goal of this physical education is physical growth and fitness, and also maintain the healthy body. Okay, so this is all about this significance of physical education. There are 10 points are there related to this exercise question and answers. I will give you that classwork for you. You need to copy. Okay, so what are the significance of physical education? Learn, no?